This is Czerny study number 3 in the book, this book. Got more patterns going on. Watch this. In the right hand, you hear? It's very common in piano, so get this. And then second measure, you just come up. It's the same thing, different place. And then next line, you come back down. Just reach down. And then reach down again. Crunch up. No big deal. Left hand gets the same thing here. You just follow the notes, you'll be fine. And the last line on this in the left hand, you're starting out here. And then the next measure here. Last measure. Those notes together in the last 2 measures here. 1 chord, 5/7 chord, 1 chord. Now again, when I play these studies, I use a weight distribution. I don't just sit there still and use the fingers. It's a good way to get tense and tired. So on this number 2, I'm still rotating. It depends on which finger is the lowest as to what place. I'm still rotating. I'm exaggerating it for the camera, but really the motion is very little. So I'm really just this on all of them, and how fast I'm doing this is how fast I'm going to play it. Same thing in the left hand, I'm just rotating. Carefully, and as the chords in the other hand, try and hold them down the length they're supposed to be held down. I don't see any staccatos in any of these chords, so they're like 1/8 notes. They're down for 2 16th notes. So let's try this together. I'll give us 4 1/8 notes, and we'll come in and try it out. 1, 2, ready and go, and. Rest, rest.